Hello everyone. This is an unboxing video for the latest Dyson code-free vacuum model. So, which is like the Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute Pro. So basically, like this is the one of the like the latest model which is available currently in India, and currently it is selling at like the MRP of this product is around like 49,900, and right now it is selling at like a discounted price of like 45,900, and there were like some special offers which were running in Dyson recently to get some additional discount for some specific cards. So yeah, so looking at like the overall the vacuum, so it's, as I mentioned, like it's a cord-free vacuum, so it will not be having like any like power plugins, those type of things. Like so the main the use of like the cord-free vacuum is mainly the versatility, like you can take it anywhere and without having any issues. So we'll first look at the specs and like the features which Dyson claims. So with this particular model, so like it's an like as I mentioned, like it's a cord-free vacuum, and it's powered by the Dyson V10 motor. So which they claim like it's the powerful motor, and as per them, they are, like it is as good as a corded vacuum, and they are planning to replace it, the corded vacuum with this completely new cord-free vacuums. So Dyson will no longer be manufacturing the corded vacuum as per the company's like the reviews and details I have read. And moving to the features, so it has like a whole system filtration. So basically like so it is completely like a sealed system, and so it has like a filtration side. It's having a HEPA filter. So as per like Dyson, it will filter like 99.97% of particle. So like we'll always be breathing like clean air than which is going inside the vacuum. Okay, and it is like based on the Cyclone technology, like so, and and also like from the noise wise also, it is like very silent, not as loud as like other competitor vacuum cleaners. It's like very smooth to operate, and also like with this new V10 model, like it has like three power modes. So lowest power mode, which should be good for like overall like mainly like every task, and a medium power and a high power. And so as per like Dyson, like the overall runtime for this vacuum cleaner is like 60 minutes when it is running in like the low power mode. And also like that runtime also depends on the what type of head we are using. So with this particular model, like we are getting like three motorized heads, and when we use these motorized heads, the power, like that, the actual battery life may decrease like for, so as for them, like it will be like decreased to like 40 minutes, like if you are using like motorized tools, motorized brush heads. Otherwise it should be like like giving pretty like 60 minutes runtime. And also like the main part of like the vacuum is like that, like we should not be like, we will not be getting like dirty hands like when we emptying the dust particles from the bin. So it has like like a pretty decent like bin volume, so we should be good for like like normal cleaning stuff. So, and along with this, like we have like a set of accessories which is provided by Dyson, so which I will explain later, like once we start with the unboxing. So yeah, with no delays, like I will start with unboxing. So it came in completely sealed package, so I just opened it recently. So yeah, this is what we are getting like as part of like this particular vacuum model. And also like regarding the other models, like so we have the Dyson V10 Absolute Pro, which is this model, and we have like some other lower models also, like V8 Absolute Plus, and also we have like V8 Animal Plus. So basically like the differences are like, one is like the suction power. The suction power like will be like 100 air watts for the V8 models, and And with absolute and animal versions, mainly the difference will be in the number of additional brush tools which we are getting. So the absolute model will be having the most the brush. So it will be having like the soft roller brush, which is a great advantage in the Indian conditions, because like in most of the Indian houses, like it will be the hard floors. So for the hard floor vacuuming, like the soft brush is much better than the regular like vacuuming brush. So these type of brushes like the soft roller head will be coming as part of this absolute model solely, whether it is like V8 or like V10 absolute models. So yeah, this is the operating manual, like which is also like a clean and it is like straightforward. So it will just show like what all things we are getting, as also like the different like the attachment and how to maintain or clean the vacuum cleaner. So yeah, it is a pretty standard document. Yeah. So yeah, moving to the actual unboxing. So yeah. This is basically the brand. So which is like Dyson V10 Absolute Pro. Yeah, this is the vacuum brand, and this is the mini crevice tool. So like yeah, this is basically like an attachment. So all these attachments are like very easy to install. So it's like just a click, means like it's locked, and there's a push button which will release that tool. So this is the mini crevice tool, which is helpful in vacuuming the corners or like hard to reach areas. And this is the next accessory which they have provided. So this is also like an adapter kind of thing, like so. So as per like so as per Dyson, like it is telling like the quick release quick release top up adapter. So that's what they are calling officially. So it will, this has a flexible option, like whether we can like whether we need to like attach the tool, like, and also it can have the option to like bend, and yeah, it has the option like we can bend it or require like. So yeah, there's an option to like do the bending, like, and so it's like a top-up adapter. Yeah, this one is like a combination tool. So here it's like it has like two tools inside. So which is like a mini soft dusting brush, as well as when you pull it back, so it will act as like the regular suction tool, which can be used for the regular surfaces. So this can be used for like cleaning like keyboards and all those things. Like it's like very soft. Okay. And the next tool is like, it's a quick release mini soft dusting brush. So this is also like another brush which they are providing with the absolute models. Yeah, basically this is the tool. This is also a soft tool, soft brush, so which can this can be useful for like cleaning many the regular like devices or like regular floors. And the next one is like a quick release for release extension hose. So this basically like this can, like we can extend it like to I mean like for vacuuming like hard to reach places, like so it's like a flexible tool. So this all these attachments can be like used like we can attach any of those like whatever which I showed, right? We can sorry, so whatever like I have shown earlier. So this is like, for example, like we can easily like fit in here, and with a click of a button like it will release also. Okay, so like that all these attachments can be easily attached to this like the other accessories also. Okay. And yeah, the next one is the I mean like the dock holder, so where we can easily attach the charging station. So yeah, this is the I mean like the part which we fix it to the wall. So they have provided the mounting screws and the fishers also as well, so which we can mount the charging station here, okay, to the wall. And this is also another like vacuuming tool. It's like, so it's actually called as like quick release mattress or upholstery tool, so which we can use for vacuuming like the upholsteries or like the mattresses. And this is the wall adapter. So yeah, it works with 100 to 240 volt as per Dyson, like so it can be used like internationally as well. So yeah, and it has that Indian plug for now, like Indian plug combination. Yeah, this is a motorized tool. So this is also a motorized tool which we get as part of these Absolute models. So as I mentioned, like this is used mainly for like vacuuming like hard floors, like tile surfaces, or like cleaning like any of like any hard floor like marble, tiles, wooden flooring. So it's like a velvet. It has a velvet finish, and it is like it will easily, as per Dyson, it should be like capture like the dust particles very soon. So I mean like why it is called a motorized tool means like it has like an inbuilt motor which is also running. Okay, so the tool will rotate. I mean like this, the brush will be rotating once we attach it. Yeah, this is the regular cleaner head, which is also a motorized tool. So this is for regular vacuuming like our carpets and all those like the softer like materials, like we can use it for the vacuuming. So it has like a squeegee brush which will like push the dirt, like push the debris, and like it can be like so sucked through this. And this is the last brush which we have. Okay, so this is also a motorized one, like before. So far like we have like 3 motorized tool. So this is also a mini motorized brush, so which is also like same as like the one which I have shown previously for that vacuuming like the carpets, the same thing, like which is like the size wise like it's like a little more shorter, so it's a mini motorized tool. Okay. Yeah, these are the main the brushes and other attachments we are receiving. Okay, yeah, the next one is the main the motor head. So yeah, this is the motor head. Okay, so this is a V10 Absolute motor head. Okay, and yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, so it has like 25.2 volt, 2600 milliampere battery. So yeah, it has like everything like. Okay, so yeah, the motor head, and as I mentioned, like it has like this is the filter, which is a HEPA based, so we can just uh, unplug it, like, and Dyson recommends it like we need to clean the filter like once a month. Okay, so we can just take it out and wash it under like cold water, and we need to make sure like it is always dry before attaching it. So they recommend like putting it like after washing, like we need to do air dry, or keeping it in the sunlight for at least for 24 hours before putting it back, and make sure like no water enters, because like it will be directly impacting the motor. Okay, so it was like, so I mean the cyclone, they were talking about the cyclone technology. So these are the cyclone generators. So as I mentioned, like these are the like three switches, like medium, uh, uh, low, medium, and the max modes. And in the max modes, Dyson claims like they will be, I mean like we'll be getting like only like approximately like 7 to 8 minutes of power. But max mode, we don't want to use it like frequently. Okay, it's not frequently. So this covers like the mainly the unboxing part. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Yeah, this is what we get, and maybe I will show you like to attaching like any of these tools. So even if like if it's a bigger tool, like we can like any of each, I mean like all the tools can be attached like without the help of band also, and it can be quickly released as well, like with the help of this quick release tool. Okay, so all the brushes can be attached to the motor head even without the need of wand. So mainly the uh, uh, mainly it will be having like a lot of flexibility. It will be giving us a lot of flexibility. Okay, so yeah, so you can see like this motor head tool, motor head brush. I'm telling you that that tool is also rotating. Okay, and yeah, that's it regarding the unboxing. Yeah, thanks a lot for watching.